What's going on, internet? If you found this video, you're probably just bought a Kia vehicle and you want to know how to go through the infotainment system. So my name is Christopher, this is Cars Unlocked. We're going to show you everything you can do with your Kia infotainment system, and make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to connect our iPhone to the Apple CarPlay and show you how to use that. So I'm in a 2023 Kia Sportage and it has this large new touchscreen. Pretty much all the 2023s are gonna start coming with this now. This is the home screen. I haven't created my profile here yet, but I'm signed in as a guest, and you can customize your user settings once you create your profile, and you can save things like your radio presets and things like that. So see, now it's switching my user profile and it's set to my driver 1. And my memory seats are engaged. The heating is all engaged. But let's get into the features that you're gonna be using here. I swipe over here. This is all my features: map, navigation, phone protection, voice memo, climate control, valet mode, quiet mode, HD radio, media, and setup. And then there's a few more on the other side. Your Kia Connect, so you can connect the vehicle to your phone and do things like remote start, notifications, and then you have a user's manual online. So this button here is your menu. If you want to edit any of those home icons, you can edit any of those home icons. But let's just go through all these features here. Here it pops up on the map. You can see some of our previous destinations. And if you want to quickly jump to your previous destinations, you can click the previous destinations there. Very large map here. Here's our compass. Gives us a bird's eye view of the mapping there. Hit this search button down below, and you can search by the address or you can search by the POI, however you want to search. Set as destination. And now it's going to calculate the route for me, and you can see my route is calculated. So you can go route avoid option, and here you can click, do I want to avoid freeways? Do I want to avoid toll roads, avoid ferries? You can click those if you want to. Very easy to use the navigation. If you guys have used the GPS before, there's nothing complicated with this. I'm assuming you guys will get the hang of it there. That's pretty much the navigation. Comment if you guys have questions about the navigation, but it's fairly easy. Let's go through our phone setup. So I'm just gonna click here, phone, and we're just gonna add a new phone in here. So I have my Android phone here, and I'm just gonna go add, and then I'm gonna go into the Bluetooth settings on my phone, and I'm gonna go Bluetooth, pair new device, and here it says Kia right there. So Kia, pair, and now I'm gonna accept, and now it's paired. So pretty easy. If you guys have trouble like that, also comment. But now when I hit phone, it's downloading my contacts. It will take a minute to download my contacts. Everything will come up here. You can see I have shortcuts and I can favorite certain contacts. I have my phone book and all the names will come up here. I can also just dial. If I want to dial a specific number, I can dial a specific number. And I can also see my text messages. It's not showing up here for privacy purposes, but you can kind of get the gist of it. You can also use the voice command buttons here. So you would just put this in and you would just say call Mike or call Jeff. Whoever's saved in your phone, you can use the voice command button here, or you can press the voice command button on the wheel and you can call that way. So that's pretty much the phone. You can play music through your phone once your phone is set up. You can also switch phones. So see, I can click the button there and I can switch through the different phones that I have synced. Phone projection, we're gonna get to that at the end. I'm gonna go through voice memo here. So you can save different voice memos. If you want to record something, you think of something while you're driving and you want to record it so you don't forget it, you can record it. So you can say, what's up internet? Subscribe to Cars Unlocked and like this video to see more. Now it's saved and stored, so I should be able to see my voice menu there. So that's your voice memo. Very easy. You can delete those when you're done. My climate control is down below, but I can also play around with my climate settings in here. So here you see the different climate settings. You can turn on the automatic mode. I can adjust the temperature. You'll probably hear the fans coming on through my microphone now. You can use the sync, turn on your air conditioning. You can put it low, high. There's all different ways. You can go circulate. That's the climate. Valet mode. So this is really, if you require, you can activate the Kia Connect and then you don't have to give the valet access to all your stuff in here. It only basically just allows them to drive the car, and that's it. Quiet mode. It basically only plays through the front speakers. If you have kids sleeping in the back, you don't have to play around with the radio settings. You can just quickly put on the quiet mode, and it, like it says here, it will only display through the front speakers, and it will be about a 25% decrease in the volume. Here it's just going to show your different radio stuff. So that comes with the HD radio. There's traffic warnings, so it will tell you if there's an accident on the highways. This will just show you like any weather, fuel prices. Really what you're going to be using the radio for is playing music. So let's go into the radio here, and it comes with Sirius XM. So right now I'm on the Sirius XM. You can save all your presets down here, and I can manually input the channels. Now if I want to set this as a preset, I hit this star, and now it locks it in down there. If you want to go through all the channels, hit channel list. And here we can go through all the channels, a lot of different channels you can listen to with the Sirius XM, and then we can go do the same for FM. So AM, FM, same thing. And I can also use my manual tuner down here on the dials. That's the radio. You can also go media, and here you can play music. Now I've set up my phone so I can play music right here. Song from Spotify, let's go maybe even a podcast. So really easy, and then I can skip through my Spotify on here. So very easy to play music through Bluetooth. Setup, you can do things. This is how you can change all your settings, your navigation settings, your user profile, the voice recognition. There's all different settings you guys can play around with. We're not going to dive too deep in that, but this is all customizable to you. Now let's jump into the phone projection. So that's the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay here. I have my iPhone here with me, so we're going to go through the Apple CarPlay, but the Android Auto is basically the same. We have full tutorials on our channel, things like how to connect to Android Auto, how to connect to Apple CarPlay, how to troubleshoot if your phone isn't connecting. But it's really easy here, guys. You just need your proper cord plugged into the USB, and all you got to do is plug your phone in there, and it should just come up and do it automatically. Apple is connected. Next, I'm gonna hit OK, and it shows up on my phone that the CarPlay is connected. So now instead of saying phone projection, it shows Apple CarPlay, and I just need to click that, and there's my Apple CarPlay. So it basically shows your different apps on your phone. You need to allow the location on your phone to allow for maps. I don't have much on this phone, but you can do things like text messages and things like that all through the Apple CarPlay. So really easy connection, guys. Just plug your phone in, follow the prompts, and it will automatically connect. Pretty cool. It works the same with an Android phone. But that's pretty much your walkthrough of the Kia infotainment system, guys. Hopefully you learned something here today. If you did, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and just comment if you guys have questions. If you're having trouble connecting your phone, comment, and if I can help you, I'd be more than happy to. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day, YouTube.